MakerAI says it can take you from idea to a live micro-SaaS business in 72 hours, no code required. If you already make and sell digital products, that claim should make you suspicious. I spent this review checking whether it holds up for someone who builds for a living, not someone who's never shipped anything. If you sell courses, templates, or ebooks, you already know the next step everyone tells you to take. Build a software tool to go with it. But between hiring a developer, learning no-code platforms, and figuring out how to market a tool nobody's heard of, most creators never ship. MakerAI is built to close that exact gap. This is MakerAI's homepage. The pitch is simple. Build and launch your own software and an entire marketing system in minutes. It's aimed at non-coders, which includes most course creators and template sellers I know. The front page claims over 1,000 members, a 4.9 out of 5 rating, 500 apps built, and $18 million in sales by the MakerAI founders themselves. 3 pieces carry the platform. The AI Idea Finder surfaces niches worth building for. Market validation and scoring tells you whether an idea is worth your time before you spend a single hour building it. And the MakerAI Marketplace lets you list the finished app to get your first customers without running your own funnel from scratch. The workflow runs in 3 steps. First, you use the Idea Finder to land on a software concept. Second, you run it through the validation and scoring tool to confirm real demand before building. Third, you follow MakerAI's build prompts with an AI coding tool of your choice. Then list and market the finished app through the marketplace and a 30-day marketing system. The number MakerAI leads with is 72 hours. That's how fast they claim you can go from a validated idea to a launched micro-SaaS business, build prompts, marketing assets, and marketplace listing included. For a creator used to months-long dev cycles for a companion tool, that's the number worth stress testing. Here's the marketplace where finished apps get listed. It's framed hard around validation. The page states 99% of AI apps get 0 customers, and these are the ones that didn't. You'll see real categories, tools for tradespeople, content creators, coaches, even a pregnancy tracker, which tells you the platform isn't locked to one niche. The most obvious alternative for a non-coder is Lovable, which builds the app for you but stops there. MakerAI's bet is that building the app was never the hard part for a product creator. Finding a validated idea and getting the first customers is. If you already have an audience but no software tool, MakerAI's marketing layer is the difference. If you just want the fastest possible app builder, Lovable alone may be lighter. 3 things stood out. It replaces tools you'd otherwise stitch together yourself. Idea research, a validation gate, and a distribution channel in one login. It's built for non-coders specifically, so you're not learning a new IDE on top of everything else you already manage. And the marketplace gives a finished app a first audience without you building a funnel from zero. There's no free tier here. Every plan starts as a paid 7-day trial, whether you go monthly at $97, annually at $797, or lifetime at $1497. So there's no truly free way to poke around before your card gets charged. And because build prompts still route through third-party AI coding tools, your actual build quality depends partly on which tool you pair MakerAI with. Pricing breaks into 3 tiers, $97 a month, $797 a year, which saves 27%, or a one-time lifetime rate of $1497 at what the site calls founder pricing. Every tier includes the same core stack: Idea Finder, validation scoring, build prompts, the marketing system, and community access. This fits a specific creator. You already sell a course, template pack, or content product. You have an audience, and you keep telling yourself you should build a companion tool, but never do. MakerAI is built to shortcut that specific stall, not to teach you software from zero. Skip this if you already have a developer on retainer, or if what you actually need is a single polished tool with enterprise-grade support and clear line item pricing. MakerAI is optimized for speed and first customer distribution, not for teams that need granular technical control. For a digital product creator who already has an audience and keeps stalling on the software idea, MakerAI is worth the 7-day trial. The validation step alone can save you from building something nobody wants. Just know the trial isn't free. You're committing to a paid plan from day one. Verdict: a cautious yes, trial first. If you want to test the Idea Finder and validation scorer yourself, the link's in the description. There's a 7-day trial before your first charge, and you can cancel anytime.